Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll start part 3, the tea from Assam of chapter number 7 from first flight. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjal and Rajveer are classmates in Delhi. Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. Pranjal is from Assam and Pranjal's father is the manager in a tea garden in Assam, and Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. और प्रांजल ने राजवीर को बोला कि हमारा एरिया मीन्स आसाम इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, सो यू मस्ट कम विद मी इन समर वेकेशन. Chai garam garam chai, a vendor called out in high-pitched voice. They were going to Assam in a train, so near the window of the train a vendor came and he said, chai garam garam chai. He came up to their window and asked, chai saab? The vendor went there near the window and asked, would you like to have tea? Would they like to have tea? They are Pranjal and Rajveer. Give us 2 cups, Pranjal said. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. So, Rajveer said to Pranjal that, do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk in the world every day? Phew, exclaimed Pranjal. And Pranjal gave a surprised expression at this. Tea really is very popular. The train pulled out of the station. Pranjal buried his nose in the detective book again. Pranjal was reading a detective book, and when the train again started, he started reading his detective book. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. Rajveer was also very much interested in reading detective stories, but he was very keen on looking the scenery outside also, because he had never seen such greenery earlier. It was green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. हर जगह पे इतनी ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी थी बाहर, और राजवीर क्योंकि दिल्ली में रहता था तो उसने ऐसी ग्रीनरी पहले नहीं देखी थी. देन द सॉफ्ट ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड्स गेव वे टू द टी बुशेस. इट वॉज अ मैग्निफिसेंट व्यू. द व्यू वॉज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. Against the backdrop of densely wooded hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see, and in the foothills we can see tea bushes. Dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and among the tea bushes there were the shade trees also, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes busily moved doll-like figures, and in the bushes the people were also moving. Those people might be the caretakers of the tea bushes. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys. Then he saw an ugly building at a distance, and smoke was coming out from the chimney. Hey, a tea garden, Rajveer cried excitedly, and Rajveer cried that, see, a tea garden. Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. But Pranjal, who was born and brought up of that place, he was not excited on seeing this beautiful scenery. Oh, this is a tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. And he said that this is a tea country now means on this place you will see tea bushes only, he said, and Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantations in the whole world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime, and in Assam you will see enough tea gardens that you will never want to see more tea gardens in your life. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. And Rajveer said that I read many books about tea. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Then Rajveer said that no one really knows that who was the discoverer of tea, but there are many stories about this. What legends? Well, there's one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. तो एक चाइनीज़ एम्परर था, वो पानी को हमेशा उबाल के पीता था. वन डे अ फ्यू लीव्स ऑफ द ट्विग्स बर्निंग अंडर द पॉट. अंडर द पॉट मीन्स जिस पॉट में पानी को बॉयल करता था उसके नीचे जो लकड़ी जलाता था वो लकड़ी क्या थी? वो एक टी बुशेस जब सूख जाती थी तो वो जलाने के काम आती थी. सो वन डे अ फ्यू लीव्स ऑफ द ट्विग्स बर्निंग अंडर द पॉट फेल इनटू the water, giving it a delicious flavor. It is said that they were tea leaves. तो एक दिन जो bushes नीचे जलाई हुई थी उनके कुछ पत्ते उड़ के पानी में चले गए और जब उसने वो पानी पिया it gave a very delicious flavor and it is said that they were tea leaves. Tell me another, scoffed Pranjal. Then Pranjal said that tell me the another story about tea. Then Rajveer added that we have an Indian legend too. Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. जब वो मेडिटेशन में ध्यान में बैठा होता था बुद्धिस्ट तो उसको बड़ी नींद आती थी और उस नींद से बचने के लिए what did he do? He cut off his eyelids. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids और उसकी eyelids में से चाय के पौधे उग गए. The leaves of these plants when put in hot water and drunk banished sleep. और इन पत्तों को जब पानी में डाल के उबाला गया और पिया गया तो इससे नींद भाग जाती थी. और वैसे भी बेटे हम जब चाय पीते हैं तो क्या जब हमें बहुत नींद आ रही होती है लेकिन हमें कोई काम करना होता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि पहले चाय पीते हैं, चाय से नींद भाग जाएगी. ठीक है. So this saying matches with the story of the Buddhist. Tea was first drunk in China. सबसे पहले टी चाइना में पी गई थी. राजवीर added as far back as 2700 BC. In fact, words such as tea, chai and chini are from Chinese. Tea came to Europe only in 16th century and was drunk more as medicine than as beverage. Tea was drunk as a medicine in Europe than a beverage. Beverage is a liquid. The train clattered into Mariani Junction and in the meantime when they were talking about the tea stories they reached at the Mariani Junction. The boys collected their luggage and pushed their way to the crowded platform and the boys reached at the crowded platform. Pranjal's parents were waiting for them. Soon they were driving towards Dhekiabari, the tea garden managed by Pranjal's father. And Dhekiabari tea garden was managed by Pranjal's father. Pranjal's father was a manager at that tea garden. An hour later, the car veered sharply off the main road. और एक घंटे के बाद क्या था कि वो मेन रोड पे पहुंच गए थे. एंड दे क्रॉस्ड अ कैटल ब्रिज एंड एंटर्ड धेकियाबरी टी एस्टेट. और एक कैटल ब्रिज कोई रास्ते में आता होगा, किसी ब्रिज का नेम होगा कैटल ब्रिज. तो उसको क्रॉस करने के बाद वो धेकियाबरी टी एस्टेट में पहुंच गए थे. On both sides of the gravel road होती है the road covered with sandstones were acre upon acre of tea bushes. अब वो आसाम में क्या है, जो टी की कल्टीवेशन सबसे ज़्यादा की जाती है तो क्या है कि वहाँ पे एकर्स लैंड के ऊपर टी की bushes थी. all nearly pruned to the same height. Pruned means cut. All the bushes were of the same size nearly. Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their backs, wearing plastic aprons, were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. और वहाँ पे लोग काम कर रहे थे, ठीक है. ग्रुप्स ऑफ टी प्लकर्स मतलब जो पत्तियों को काटने वाले थे, उन्होंने अपनी बैक पे बैम्बू बास्केट्स लगाई हुई थी, प्लास्टिक्स के एप्रन बांधे हुए थे, एंड दे वर प्लकिंग द न्यूली ग्रोन लीव्स. Pranjal's father slowed down to allow a tractor pulling a trailer load of tea leaves to pass. और उनके पास सब ट्रैक्टर आया तो प्रांजल के फादर ने गाड़ी की स्पीड कम कर दी so that the tractor could go. This is the second flush or sprouting period, isn't it, Mr. Barua? Rajveer asked. तो राजवीर ने पूछा, Mr. Barua, isn't it the second flush means कि ये दूसरी बार की चाय की पत्तियाँ हैं, मतलब पूरे सीज़न में जो दूसरी बार खेती होती है चाय की, ये उस बार की पत्तियाँ जा रही हैं. It lasts from May to July and yields the best tea. ये मई से जुलाई में तक रहती है ये चाय और इसको बेस्ट टी माना जाता है. यू सीम टू हैव डन योर होमवर्क बिफोर कमिंग. और मिस्टर बरुआ बोलते हैं कि ऐसा लगता है कि तुमने अपना होमवर्क आने से पहले ही कर लिया है. प्रांजुल्स फादर सेड इन सरप्राइज. तो बेटे होमवर्क ये वो वाला होमवर्क नहीं है जो उसको स्कूल से होमवर्क मिला था समर वेकेशंस का. मतलब उसको राजवीर को दिल्ली में रहते हुए भी ये पता था कि जो मई टू जुलाई में जो टी कल्टीवेट होती है, लगाई जाती है, काटी जाती है, वो बेस्ट टी होती है. तो इसलिए प्रांजल के फादर सरप्राइजिंग वे में पूछते हैं कि मेरे को लगता है कि तुम सब पहले से ही पढ़ के आए हो. येस मिस्टर बारुआ, राजवीर एडमिटेड. एंड राजवीर सेड, येस मिस्टर बारुआ, बट आई होप टू लर्न मच मोर वाइल आई एम हियर. बट I want to know many more things about tea cultivation during my stay here. So that's all with the reading of part 3 of chapter number 7. तो बेटे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो नहीं हैं और जो ग्रामर वाला पार्ट है तो वो आपको ग्रामर की रिवीजन के टाइम पे ही करवा दूँगी. And tomorrow now we'll start with the next chapter. Then okay, bye, thank you.